Right, so we went a bit crazy since I was talking to you last with the old LEDs. So we have LED in the parks. Inside then we have LED footwell lights both sides. All the interior lighting LED. Even the map lights are LED. And the number plate lights all LED. I just think it's a smarter look, as well as being a smaller draw on the electrical system. So quite pleased with that. Looks pretty good when it's really dark. So we got to bring it to Dublin today, up and down the motorway. So we had about 2.5 hours drive time, and 80 mile an hour all the way there and all the way home, and she gave me back 38 to the gallon, so I can't complain about that. So there you have it, 7-3, and we'll get you in the next one. This is George, GI 7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.